going on, everybody? Just wanted to come back to you today and share an update on the journey for our next project that we're kicking off down in Panama City, Florida. Um, Another home on Prison Street. This is the street we had one of our deals that we actually flipped and sold earlier this year and back in January. That was on the same street. But today I'm going to walk you guys through the deal, how we got it, and the numbers behind it, and show you guys some pictures and just give you some insight on kind of what the plan is and what we're going to do with this one. But make sure that you guys hit the thumbs up button. Now make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see all the content as it comes up. So yeah, so Prison Street down in Panama City. This is another virtual deal that we're doing back in our home market where we've been working for the last few years. This deal that we ran across came from the MLS, so it was a they say that there's no deals out there, supply is low, but we have been fortunate to still be able to find deals on the MLS that meet our investing criteria. So we found this one. We actually just found another one this past week. We went under contract on that came from the MLS. So there's opportunities out there. I'm definitely a believer of abundance mindset and not scarcity, and you just got to act with speed. And that'll be another video talk about that one. But this one we got it for $79,500. The list price had been reduced to $82,000, and we worked to get this one, for as cheap as possible. But we knew we could make the numbers work at that level. And our renovation budget for this one is $22,000. And you guys can kind of see some of the preliminary pictures here. We're gonna do a few changes. We got to can't repurpose these kitchen cabinets. We're gonna completely demo the cabinets. We're gonna take out all the flooring. We're gonna go back in with vinyl plank flooring. We're gonna take out, so they added an extension onto this one and enclosed it. So we're actually gonna formulate the third bedroom. We're gonna add a small closet in one of the corners in the room, and we're gonna frame in the wall where between two rooms in the house you have a sliding glass door. So we're gonna get rid of that sliding glass door, and so now we'll have three true bedrooms. We actually frame in one of the rooms was kind of, I guess, like a dining room or something. But we're gonna frame that in. So we have three bedrooms, 1.5 bath with this one. Has a new roof. HVAC is not that old, so we're gonna get that service. That should be good to go. We're gonna do some paint on the outside and paint, of course, in the interior. And we should be all in around $22,000 on our renovation budget. The after repair value on this should be around $140,000. That's $130 a square foot, which is on par for that neighborhood. And we should be in and out in about 4 weeks. So it shouldn't be too terribly long with this. We like to do cosmetic. We like to do straightforward rehabs. We don't tear a whole lot of walls out. We don't take on large, projects that are over 1,800 to 2,000 square foot. And we get in and we get out. And that's the biggest thing I tell people as you're investing and you're looking to do renovations on projects, that time is money. And so you got to get in and get out. And so with this one, I have my property management company going to do some rental analysis on this one and just kind of see where we'll be from a rent perspective. But right now our goal is to do the Burr method. We're going to buy it, renovate it, rent it out, refinance it, and repeat. And so right now we're working through the one from Illinois Avenue. We did that one earlier. You guys saw the final pictures from there. And I think I'm going to shoot a video and kind of kick that one off to close it out with the pictures, with the listing and everything. We got a tenant in less than a week, $1,500 a square a month, and really nice cash flow on that one. And I'll break out the cash flow on that one and share that with you guys. But on this one, kind of the same model. We're going with our same local credit union, 75% loan to value. We used to be at 80%, but now a little bit more conservative, which is fine. So 75% LTV, 4% interest rate, and 25-year amortization. And the loan resets every 5 years in regards to the interest rate, with prime rate plus 3/4 of a point, and which is fine. So we'll be locked in, and that fits our strategy. So just wanted to share the pictures and some of the walkthrough, just to kick off this video, to kick off this project and share it with you guys. And make sure you hit thumbs up and be on the lookout. We have our course coming. I've been working on it, in the process of writing my book as well too. But we're working on the course to come out to essentially put my business in a box. We're gonna box it up, all the spreadsheets, the methods that we go through. You can call it line of methods or whatever you want to call it, but the process that we go through to generate deals, the whole gauntlet from generating your own deals, bringing them in to renovate and manage the projects, and then to sell on the back end or refinance on the back end. We're gonna share that with you guys. Share the contracts, everything that we use in the business, just to help as many people as possible be successful. So be on the lookout for that. That'll be something that's coming out. And along with that, the mastermind group that's gonna be in lockstep with that course, just to help you guys with the implementation, to continue make sure to set you guys up for success for the long haul as you go through taking the course, but then start implementing and bringing resources like lenders to bear to help you guys out. Partnerships, joint venture opportunities as well too, and then just helping you guys out with just questions about, hey, what does this look like? Somebody, I need help to look at this, and just having a community of like-minded people that you can lean on to make sure that you're successful. Whether you want to be an active investor or if you want to be a passive investor and just pick up one or two houses and give it to a property manager, now you can manage that process and understand, how to have that knowledge base where you can manage your own real estate portfolio and kind of go from there and just grow it. And so that's the goal. And we're working through it, but just wanted to drop in and share Preaching Street with you guys this next project. And I'll see you on the next one.